So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find WLAN AutoConfig. Double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand network adapters. Then you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. If it detects anything, it's going to try to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer automatically in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. And then this should now fix your problem.